Good evening, students. Today is Monday, July 20th, 2020. Monday, July 20th, 2020. We are going to do two things tonight for our exercises. One, we're going to review the words that we worked on Wednesday that have the letters SP, SL, SM, and ST. Remember the story about the spaghetti sauce spilling and making smoke. So we're going to review those words, and then we're going to read a new story about a truck that gets stuck. We're going to be practicing the short U sound, and we'll have words that have the short U sound in them, So let's go ahead and get started with our lesson for tonight. English lesson for July 20th, 2020, Level 2 class. As always, we will practice using the calendar. Then we will review words from last week. We will spell words that have SP, spa, ST, sta, SL, sla, and SM, sma consonant blends. We will also read a story with short U words, short U sound words. And we'll end by looking at English expressions that people in the United States say that might not make sense, like you betcha, or go get 'em, etc. We'll talk about expressions that are from the United States and also expressions that you use in Mexico, in your country. Okay, so let's review what we do in English class. We listen, we speak, we read, we write, we spell, letremos, and we practice Mobimax. We do all those things. Okay, here's our calendar. Today is Monday, July 20th, 2020. Tomorrow is Tuesday, July 21st, 2020. And yesterday was Sunday, July 19th, 2020. And we have our sentences for the dates right here for us to review. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Yesterday was Sunday. Now, if today is Monday, July 20th, how do we write the abbreviation for today's date? How do we write the abbreviation for today's date? We write 7/20/2020, right? That's the right way. And then at the bottom of the page, I've just kept our ordinal number words, like order, first, second, third, fourth. So we don't say today is July 20. We say today is July 20th. Today is July 20th. Ordinal numbers, like we've been practicing. So last Wednesday, we had some of these words in our story about Stan, who was cooking spaghetti. Sleep, cooks, smells, sticks, steam, stove, spill, and sauce. And in class tonight, we already wrote 8 sentences with these words, and you practice spelling those words. So this is just review, and at the bottom of your page, you have the English and then Spanish translation, like we did last Wednesday. So that was the work we did in class tonight. Let's start our new lesson. This is the letter U, right? The letter U. U is used in the word up. U-P spells up, up. That is truck. That word is truck, camino, truck. This truck is stuck, stuck. Atascado, stuck, stuck. The boy is funny. He is making the girl laugh. The boy is funny. Gracioso, funny, funny. This word is comes, viene, mother and brother. We already know mother and brother. Truck, stuck, funny, comes, mother, brother. Let's read the story. We went through these words before. Bud, buck, bricks. Remember what bricks in the story, ladrillos, bricks. Think, I think, pienso, piensa. From, some, and does. From, some, and does. Let's go through the story again for practice. This is Mrs. Hill. She is Ed's mother. This is Bud Buck. He is Mrs. Hill's brother. Mr. Buck is Ed's uncle. So we have Mrs. Hill. Mrs. Hill is Ed's mother. And also in the story is Bud Buck. And he is Mrs. Hill's brother. This is Mrs. Hill. This is Bud Buck. And this is Ed. Bud is Ed's uncle. Mrs. Hill is Ed's mother. Mrs. Hill's brother lives in the city. Mr. Buck has a big truck. Uncle Bud comes from the city in his truck. Uncle Bud comes from the city to visit the hills. Uncle Bud brings some bricks from the city. He comes with some bricks in his truck. The bricks are for Mr. and Mrs. Hill. Mr. Buck's truck gets stuck. His truck gets stuck in the mud. The truck is stuck. Ed thinks it is funny. Ed's mother does not think it is funny. Her brother does not think it is funny. Ed's mother says, "Son, this is not funny." Uncle Bud does not think it is funny. Come and put some bricks in the mud. You can see Ed helping his mother put bricks from the truck into the mud. Ed put some bricks in the mud. His brother put some bricks in the mud. Uncle Bud brings the truck to the building. Mrs. Hill thanks her brother for the bricks. And remember, we answered who, what, when, where, why, and how questions about this, didn't we? Let's review the words that you wrote in sentences. Come, does, thanks, bricks, truck, uncle, from, mud, some, and funny. Those are the words that we used in sentences tonight. And we ended with, what do these expressions mean? What do these expressions mean? Enough is enough. Enough is enough. We know that enough is enough means just stop. Enough is enough, stop. No more. See you, you say see you, it's the same as bye for now, goodbye, or see you later, hasta pronto. Play it by ear. Play it by ear means you do it with no plan. You have no plan. You just play it by ear. You just think it up as you go. Think as you go. Play by ear. Beats me. If someone says beats me, it means I don't know. It means they don't know. If you ask them a question, if you ask a person a question and they say beats me, that means I don't know. Take it easy is another way of saying goodbye. Take it easy, see you later. Take it easy is a way of saying goodbye. And if someone is at a restaurant with you or you're buying something at a store and they say, it's on me, that means I will pay. So if I'm with you and I say, it's on me, that means I will pay the bill or pay for the item. And we went through many expressions tonight in class, expressions that you like to use. So sometimes it's nice to understand what some of the expressions people use in different countries, so you know what they're saying. Okay, we went over, remember to try to get this Moby Max assignment done. Spelling with short vowel sounds. Spelling with short vowel sounds. A, E, I, O, U. The short sounds of those 5 vowels. It's your assignment. Okay, well, good job tonight. Hope the review helped you, the quick review. Hopefully that was helpful for you. And I will see you all on Wednesday night. So have a good evening. Take it easy. See you later.